Good morning, everybody. Michael Harris here. You'll see my hat. I'm wearing my Disney hat in celebration of my significant other human who's at Disney World, and I get to stay home. You also may hear some background sounds. Some people, they do their videos, out in nature. I usually do them right here in my kitchen, but today you get to listen to the sultry sounds of my telephone. You get to listen to the sultry sounds of the tree service that's busy running chainsaws literally all over the neighborhood. It's crazy. Today we're going to be talking about momentum, but I thought first that I'd mention that we have a group coaching call tomorrow. You should have gotten an email, and if you haven't, please send me an email, drm@drmichaelharris.com. I also want to mention that there is a Get Naughty workshop on Saturday. I did a video about that yesterday. Kendall Williams and I are going to be doing a workshop, and you can find that information on Facebook. And Friday is part 4 of Clint Fuqua and my Couch to the Holidays program, so I'll be watching for that video. I do have some new announcements that are coming out on Monday. We're going to be doing some interesting stuff, which is kind of why I wanted to talk about momentum in terms of how do you gain momentum. And my number one suggestion would be to use baby steps. Baby steps is going to get you along the way of doing something new, making sure it's sustainable, and then before you move on. So in my world, sustainability is absolutely everything. Adding that one word to my planning, to my living, is the difference that makes the difference. So I'll give you an example. A year ago, I changed websites. I started writing articles, and then I had to go through the process of learning how to use the new software. I got a new program called Grammarly that actually, helps me put words in that I leave out in case you've ever read my stuff. And over the last year, I've been refining that and refining my goals. And finally, I just made a commitment to one of my friends that I was going to start doing videos on an ongoing basis. And I can tell you flat out, I'm not really your video guy. Being in front of a camera is uncomfortable, and it's getting better, but it's a process. Additionally, I hired 2 coaches. I decided that I was going to take my business in a completely different direction. And then I just made the leap. Now, was I scared? Absolutely. And, living on your edge, as David Dita says from the book, The Way of the Superior Man, that's really where we're supposed to be, is like right to the edge of our capacity, right to the edge of our capability. And then you lean a little bit further forward. Would I be doing this without support? Probably not. And that would be one of the things that I would like to mention is you don't have to do this alone. And you can ask for help, and you can get a coach, or you can find an accountability person. But if you really, really want to get momentum in your life, you need to get moving. And that uncomfortable feeling that you're feeling is a signal that you're doing the right thing. So thanks for everybody. Once again, our group coaching call tomorrow, and there's a link out there. I'll put it in the thingamabobbers down below. And the Get Naughty Bondage workshop is on Saturday. There's still tickets available, but they are going to sell out. And Couch to the Holidays video on Friday. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you tomorrow.